In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how far Windows 95 can go with community-made patches, web browsers, and other compatible software. Windows 95 is an extremely outdated operating system, even with the latest security patches and updates installed. It's not always safe to use, especially when connecting it to the internet in general. I usually do this on a fresh install, but Windows 95 is a bit tricky to get it to run properly on a virtual machine. So I've used a preset VMDK image that I found on Internet Archive. These are the essentials that I installed previously on Windows 98 and ME, 7-zip version 9.22, and Microsoft Visual C++ 2005. 7-zip will install and work, but the GUI window doesn't open. I had to use the right-click menu to extract archives. Visual C++ 2005 will install without issues, but the installer crashed when I ran it for the first time. A simple reboot, then reinstalling it fixed the issue. Kernel X won't work on Windows 95, which means that I won't be able to install any newer software. Then I found a web browser called RetroZilla, which is a much newer browser that will install and run natively on Windows 95. Unlike Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox for Windows 95, this one somehow still works. Here's a side-by-side comparison with Internet Explorer version 5.5 trying to load Google. I've tried to check its HTML5 score, but the website itself can't seem to load properly. It can load Legacy Update, though, with a bunch of errors. I've tried to open a YouTube video on this browser that's running on 64 megabytes of RAM, which was a bad idea. Although it looks like it's doing something, but it won't go past this screen, also Windows just completely froze and became unusable. That's pretty much it for Windows 95. It's a 31-year-old operating system after all, and you can't do much with it.